welcome back to another video here at Automotive Therapy. So I have some very exciting news for you guys. As you know, I've kind of been hinting about some special announcements. Also in previous videos, I've been kind of working on my laptop and stuff, kind of hinting on planning something. So, well, in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and just introduce what I am bringing to the channel over the next couple of months. So I have something called the BMW Influencer Tour, and it's kind of in its name. We are gonna be touring with all the BMW influencers here on YouTube. Essentially what I wanna do is kind of break down, who they are as a person, why they got into the BMW influencer scene, and just kind of check out their current BMWs, their current builds, and just have some fun with them. So yeah, I'm actually flying out tomorrow to my first state. I'm actually gonna go to the East Coast, so that's your first hint. I'm not gonna say who I'm filming with first, but I've got a couple of people lined up that I'm gonna be filming with this week, so super exciting, and you guys would definitely recognize who they are. So we're gonna go ahead and film with them, so you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for the upcoming videos that I'll be posting. So as we all know, this is not free. This stuff costs money, and one of the biggest topics on my channel is that I lost my job after purchasing my dream car, which is this BMW M4 kind of tucked underneath the frame of the camera. Now it's time to get back on track and everything, and but yeah, if you guys want to help support me and everything I'm doing with the channel, just link down below. Now, I'm just really excited about this because I started Automotive Therapy about a year ago, and before I started this channel, I watched all these BMW channels, and I was just so entertained by it because I love BMWs, and it's just fun watching other people build them and do crazy stuff with them, and it's just, it's something that I like to watch. So with this BMW Influencer Tour, it's like mind-blowing because now instead of me watching the influencers, I'm going to be standing next to them in front of the camera making content for you guys. So it's going to be awesome. I've got a lot of big names lined up. I'm going to be on the East Coast for this tour, and then in a few weeks I'm going to go to the West Coast, film with some people there, and some people in between both sides will be traveling all across, just filming videos with everybody. If you guys have any influencers that you want to see me film with and tour with on this series, comment down below who you would like to see. But I'm super excited for this opportunity, and I'm just gonna make sure that everything is fun for you guys to watch. I'm gonna have as much fun as possible, and this is just gonna be an awesome way to bring the BMW community together. Now, I really want to appreciate everyone who has subscribed to this channel. I mean, I'm past 1,000 subscribers, which is just so crazy for me to think about. And honestly, I don't think I'd have this opportunity to tour with all these influencers if it wasn't for you guys subscribing to the channel, commenting, and just showing me so much support with everything I do on Automotive Therapy. So I just want to say thank you for that. But I think that's about it, just to summarize everything that I'm going to be doing. So make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because you're not going to want to miss all the videos that I'll be shooting with all these awesome influencers. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. And next video will be with the first influencer on the tour. So I'll see you in that video. Peace out.